Classical Committee AGM, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not a very exciting day. It's a day of marking and travel and having feelings, feeling lots of feelings about work and my career and my life moving forward and all sorts of things. And going to Cardiff for the WCC AGM is kind of bundling lots of those feelings together. I'm going to talk more about that when I'm not on the train, but yeah, let's go.
We will shortly be arriving at St Pancras International, where our journey ends.
So yesterday after I got in, I went to have a drink and I started doing some work on my book, which is nearly finished, and I don't know, it just throws up lots of feelings. I have lots of feelings because it's sort of the end, it's the last big thing that I have to do before I leave classics. And maybe I will return to classics, but without the book, I'm not sure that will be possible. So it's sort of, and it's so close to being done. So it feels, I'm enjoying working on it because I really like that research. I think it's genuinely like quite good now. But it's also really sad and sort of stoking my grief. Oh, my train is here, so I will pick up my grief later on. The WCC AGM is over and I am on my way back from Cardiff University to my parents-in-law, where I'm staying. And oh God, I'm so tired. I have so many weird feelings about today, about being at a classics event, about being at a WCC event, about this decision to leave academia, about what leaving classics or leaving ancient history or whatever it is that I'm doing means, about what it means to move from a humanities discipline into a social science discipline, about what it means to move from a very elitist discipline into a very imperialist discipline, i.e. development studies, and what that means and what I will be able to do as an ancient historian in development studies, and about what I will become if not an ancient historian. So I'm going through this like period of intense grief, grieving this person that I thought that I would be, grieving me, the ancient historian, grieving the life that I thought that I was going to have. But that's at the same time feeling that grief, feeling like overwhelming joy and hope, and feeling like I have so much enthusiasm for the future. That's really difficult to deal with simultaneously, and I am trying to accept. I'm trying to work through my DBT dialectic of acceptance and change, and I don't know how well I'm doing at it, but I'm doing it. I'm going to leave this video here. I don't want to talk about the AGM for loads of reasons, not least because something that happens at WCC AGMs is always intensely personal and private, and that's not for public audience. But also because otherwise I'm going to cry. So my train is here, and that is as good a reason as any to say goodbye. If you haven't, please subscribe. I will post all of the relevant links, Twitter, etc. below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!